Welcome back to our channel, where we promote a balanced and nutritious lifestyle. Today, we're excited to share with you 11 delicious and healthy snacks that you can enjoy throughout the week. These snacks are not only satisfying but also packed with essential nutrients to keep you energized. Let's dive into our top picks. 1. Apple slices with almond butter. Slice up a fresh apple and pair it with a tablespoon of creamy almond butter for a nutritious and filling snack. 2. Greek yogurt parfait. Layer Greek yogurt with your favorite fruits, granola, and a drizzle of honey for a protein-packed and satisfying snack. 3. Veggie sticks with hummus. Cut up colorful veggies like carrots, cucumber, and bell peppers and dip them in homemade or store-bought hummus for a crunchy and nutritious treat. 4. Hard-boiled eggs. Prepare a batch of hard-boiled eggs at the beginning of the week for a quick and protein-rich snack option. 5. Trail mix. Create your own trail mix by combining nuts, seeds, dried fruits, and a sprinkle of dark chocolate chips for a healthy and portable snack. 6. Avocado toast. Toast a slice of whole grain bread, spread mashed avocado on top, and add a pinch of sea salt and pepper for a satisfying and nutrient-dense snack. 7. Homemade energy balls. Make a batch of energy balls using ingredients like oats, dates, nuts, and seeds. They're perfect for a quick and on-the-go snack. 8. Edamame. Steam a handful of edamame and sprinkle them with sea salt for a protein-rich and satisfying snack. 9. Sliced cucumber with tzatziki. Slice cucumbers into rounds and serve them with a dollop of refreshing tzatziki sauce for a hydrating and flavorful snack. 10. Roasted chickpeas. Toss cooked chickpeas with olive oil, spices, and roast them until crispy. They make a crunchy and protein-packed snack. 11. Fruit salad. Prepare a colorful fruit salad with a variety of seasonal fruits for a refreshing and vitamin-rich snack option. These 11 healthy snacks offer a combination of flavors, textures, and essential nutrients to keep you nourished and satisfied throughout the week. Remember to listen to your body's hunger cues and enjoy these snacks in moderation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more nutritious snack ideas and wellness tips. Share your favorite healthy snacks in the comments below. Stay tuned for our next video on Wne Wne, where we empower you to make mindful choices for a healthier lifestyle.